So this is the final product here. I was able to get the RGB strip and then the RGB GPU holder working. I had the plugs backwards, but I quickly fixed that. And yeah, it's the finished product. Got the AIO running. Arctic Freezer 2 360 there in push-pull. Corsair fans in the front. I wanted to do 3 120s up top, but I wasn't able to fit it with the radiator and then the front panel connectors up there and the tubing. So that didn't work out as planned, but I might end up getting 2 140 fans to go up there, maybe even a 140 fan on the back. But yeah, everything's running. You know, I booted up just fine, everything booted. All the drivers were installed automatically, which is nice. I had to change the RAM. The RAM was set at like 2400 or 2466, so I tend to go into BIOS and change it to 3200. Probably gonna get RGB RAM at some point too. But yeah, this is the B550 Tough Gaming, B550M Tough Gaming motherboard with a Ryzen 3700x CPU, EVGA RTX 2070 Super as the graphics card. I got this GPU holder off Amazon, Glow Trends. I plugged it in with the SATA connector in the back, but you can plug it in to the motherboard, I believe. I also got the RGB strip from Amazon. It was the Air Goo RGB strip. Corsair ML120 fans. Like I said, the Arctic Freezer 2 360 rad in push-pull currently. And then I have a silicone power NVMe at 512 gigabytes. And then in the back there's a 2 terabyte WD Black hard drive. And that's about it. So yeah, this was my also 650 watt EVGA power supply. But this was my first computer build ever. My original build I had someone build for me, but for the first build ever, I think it came out pretty cool. I definitely enjoy it. I definitely think it came out good. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be doing more computer building. Thank you.